Okay, we are conducting a sewer inspection of the main line. We're at 2221 Selby Avenue. What you see now is the city sewer connection. So we already inspected the sewer line. We're going to pull the camera back. We found a few problems. We found roots. We found a lot of tree roots in the 4-inch pipe. Right before the cleanout, there's a cleanout in the front. Our point of entrance is a 4-inch cleanout on the side of the house, on the driveway. But there are a lot of roots in the front of the house. A lot of roots. So we're pulling the camera back. There are also a little bit of roots in the 6-inch pipe on the left side of the screen, and a couple of sags, a couple of bellies. We got water sitting at the bottom of the pipe because the pipe is sagged in about 2 or 3 different places. All right, we'll pull the camera back. This is one of the sags. As you can see, this is all water. So this should be fixed. This is right under the front cleanout, and we're gonna have roots coming up. Okay, we're gonna stop right here. We have a separation and a lot of roots on top of the pipe. A lot of roots. Okay, we're gonna continue back. Yeah, I can see.
When you walk on the pipe, you just watch this again and then make sure that
Oh, yeah, I know. That's why the last time when I ran my cable, I mean, you can feel it in the cable because the cable starts keeping itself.
maybe that's
why.
yeah.
45.
Cable, my machine is 75 feet away. So when I run it, I saw how many cable I got left. So I think it was 60 feet. So to get it about
20. Okay, we're almost out of the cleanout. It's a 4-inch plastic cleanout, which is ABS material. It's a modern pipe that's being used nowadays. And that's it. This is it. That's the cleanout. This is the side of the house. Nothing else we can do. I'm stopping the recording.